We're holding at T-minus 40 seconds.
I hope it goes. 4, 3. I got a feeling it's going to go. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Is it going to go?
Van Innsbrucker again here at the Hawthorne.
You never know. Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let's grow this as a family. And let's enjoy. We're going to witness history together. We're just out trying to find a place that I can rent for maybe a couple of weeks here in Malaysia while I wait for this visa. And I'm here, so this looks alright. I don't know. Don't know how good it is. We'll go and have a look.
This is the biggest family room. This is the only room that I have here.
Okay. It's the hard thing with doing vlogs is I've always got to wear a helmet. My hair is always messy and sweaty, messed up. So I am a Christian, and here I am, middle of Kuala Lumpur, which is pretty much a Muslim city, I guess. And I'm going to go to a Christian church, so we'll check that out, see what it's like. Today's a special day. We're going to watch Starship, 119 meter tall rocket. It's going to have its first full test with the first stage and the second stage. Starship itself is going to hard land and crash into the ocean, which that's all part of the planning, but probably 20 years they've been working to get to this point, and I just think it's historical for mankind.
We'll be able to see that.
I'm pretty excited for Elon Musk. Check it out. So I'll set the camera up, let's watch it, and forgive me if I go a bit crazy.
And we are able to hold there for
I'm so excited, I can't help it. Wow. You know, this is like, imagine mankind going to the moon back in, what was it, 59? It's 2023. And this is going to be a fully reusable rocket that will eventually one day go to Mars.
The fog is slowly lifting. We get some of the blue skies, hopefully good views. What we're waiting for right now is closeout of propellant loading on the first stage.
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes.
There are 20 engines in a circle on the outside, and as Shiva said earlier,
40 seconds. You want to watch it with me?
Okay, you can see the clock. Flight director has called a hold.
Oh!
Recycling. For the moment, we'll see where they move the clock back to. They could
Another hold.
minus 40 seconds. that could go to an earlier point.
What they do is, if they find any problem at all, they'll stop it. They may reschedule it. 2 days ago, they had to reschedule the flight to today. The top stage is this stage, the black one. So this is the first stage. That will help it to get into orbit. Then the black one will separate, and then that will go right around the globe and hard land in the ocean, basically crash. I got a feeling it's going to go. Is it going to go?
We are able to hold up to 15 minutes and still be able to lift off today.
And we're going to release at T-minus 40 seconds.
Yeah.
That is amazing news.
Team working quickly through their issues on first and second.
You never know. Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let's grow this as a family. And let's enjoy. We're going to witness history together. And it's really incredible, actually. I'm excited. As you can see, I'm really excited.
You're coming to us from Starbase, Texas.
Yes! 26 seconds. The largest rocket ever built on Earth, ever. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on! Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Starship vehicle, tower clear.
Wow, look at the engines all lit.
As the velocity increases, the depth of the atmosphere is decreasing.
830 kilometers an hour now. 830 kilometers an hour. 1,000 kilometers an hour. It's going. Come on. Is it going to separate?
Onboard view from Starship.
Look at the onboard view.
And there's views of the Raptor engines on the second stage.
That's the second stage engines inside.
Now after stage separation, the first stage will flip and begin a boost back maneuver for landing in the Gulf. Beginning the flip for stage
It's flipping. Come on, separate. Hasn't separated. I think something's wrong. Hasn't separated. Oh, it's still spinning around. Remember, this is only a test trial. It's another stage.
Like we saw the start of the flip, but obviously we're seeing from the ground cameras the entire Starship stack continue to rotate. We should have had separation by now. Obviously, this is does not appear to be a nominal situation.
Yeah, it does appear to be spinning, but I do want to remind everyone that everything after clearing the tower was icing on the cake.
What's happening? They blew it up, I think.
As you saw, as we promised, an exciting end.
So this is so obviously, like, I think that one is about the 10th or the 15th, I forget, of iterations of the rocket. So they've been going more and more and more, but that's the first time with the first stage and the second stage added. That was pretty good. There's Elon Musk. Glad to bring you along for that crazy ride. I get pretty emotional and excited, so I wanted you to see that side of me because I think you just witnessed history. So what that is like taking their prototype and then they'll reiterate from that and they will learn, capture all the data from all the processes that they'll have on it. Don't forget to subscribe. The more interest, the more inspired I am to do more crazy things. So thank you for supporting me. Thanks for watching. God bless. YouTube, how are you? Beautiful day outside. First time I've seen blue sky for a while. So gonna head down to a restaurant in Malaysia, Rooftop 1, with a friend of mine. I'm really happy because this shirt didn't used to fit me and now looking good. It's called Yoli Malaysian, but this vanilla ice cream with lotus cookies is magnificent. I'll show you. It's just tangy and sweet, but just delicious. I never heard of lotus cookies till the other day, but now got it again. Nest. Hello, how are you? You want to say hello?
He said no photo.
Who said no photo?
The guy.
Did he? Okay. No photo. We're at Nest Bar. We've got a table somewhere. Looks like the heavens are going to open up. Look at that. Look at that. It is going to hammer down. Wow. You'll light a big one. Amazing. Give him a clap. That was amazing. So this is the festival of Eid. So obviously one of the Muslim biggest festivals, and that was one of the best fireworks I've ever seen. You probably can't see my face, but I'm going to do one myself with the kids here. Yeah? I just point it up, yeah?
Point it up there.
Okay. Don't point it in someone's face. Hey! It's good. I like it. That's cool. I'll try and see this one. That's good. Oh, that's scary.
Down tonight.
Anyway, there. So this time that I've been in the apartment staying in Kuala Lumpur, I've been looked after by the security here, these guys. AGK working here in Malaysia from Pakistan. What a great guy, so thank you very much. It doesn't matter what I do, I seem to get rid of stuff and somehow the bike is more and more filled. We're leaving Kuala Lumpur